read a comic yesterday?
Yes. No.
Okay, so you
Yes.
write. If you read, then you say I read. If you didn't,
I didn't read a comic.
okay, this one is myself. I didn't read a comic yesterday. So if you
Kalau dia
read,
baca tu, you kata I did read a comic.
no, it's just I read a comic. Didn't ni tak payah. So just I read. Tak payah I did read, no need. Okay, I read terus. So ada baca komik semalam means you have to write I read a comic. Okay, number 5.
A model.
A model. So I
No. I didn't.
didn't. What's the word
A
for model?
model. Made it.
Yes, I didn't make a model. Okay, sebab dah ada didn't ni, so make tak payah jadikan past tense. So I didn't make a model.
Finish.
Number 6.
An email.
An email. So I
didn't write.
Yes, right.
An email.
An email. Correct.